This blessed day of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, we recall the courage that set the spirit free. Char Sahibzad gave their all so bold, sacrifice and love more precious than gold. Oh, Guru, shower grace from on high, guide every heart beneath the sacred sky. Remembering martyrs who stood strong and true, with faith in every breath, in all we do. Guru light up every soul, from another seas, the futures we unfold. Blessings on the path, shine like morning sun, peace and courage for all, till our days are done, till our days are done. Today we honor a leader with humility, Sardar Narendra Singh Khurana, a voice of unity, with devotion to Dharma and strength for community. He served as DSGMC, with tireless heart, feeding the needy, playing the selfless part. In Covid's darkest hours, where fear held sway, lend and oxygen, brought hope each day.